Ah, boss. Good morning, boss.
Good morning, boss.
How are you today? Finished duty or what?
Finish already.
Wow.
Sleeping time.
So, resting time. Where,
Fresh here.
where are we today?
Iceland.
Looks no good weather, huh? Looks like see the Roxy, huh? Raining also. See. Raining, Ray. Raining. Medyo masama ang panahon, medyo maulan, masama, kulimlim. Malikot ang karagatan natin. Oh, naulan pa. It's raining. Medyo masama ang panahon. Malikot ang karagatan natin ngayon, mga boss, mga kamandaragat. Oh, ganyan kataas, wala ka na yan pag nakabangka ka lang. Lakas pa ng ulan.